So earlier tic-tac-toe used to produce 20 ml or whatever, 20 micro ml. Now that it should create 20 gallons of dopamine. Is the brief very clear? And the kind of inputs now. The kind of inputs are, if at all you are designing for retail industry. What do you think of retail industry? What do you mean by retail industry? Selling and buying, absolutely. Big bazaars of the world. Anybody else? Any other examples of retail? Retail industry as such? Online sales? Anybody else? So things like that. So try and think of, somebody could concentrate on retail. So in retail, taking the reference of the retail, is it possible to redesign my tic-tac-toe? Manufacturing? Automobile manufacturing? Mobile phone manufacturing? It is not going to be a very easy task, definitely. All of you guys will probably stress your brains a lot. 10 minutes, 5 minutes, I want to produce 20 times more of the dopamine. So to begin with, I know, I can see a lot of blank faces, but that's fun, don't worry. The fun is, now that you blankly put your finger on any of these industries. Public services, what do you mean by public services? Sorry, any examples of public services? Pune Municipal Corporation, buses, PMT, maybe Indian Railways, postal services, things like that. So likewise, you take an industry of your choice. Step number 1. Possible? Please write it down. Write down the industry of your choice. And takes any number of clues from that industry.
Only from this list.
Go beyond this list also. Perfect. I like that. So somebody is saying only from this list, the answer is no. You could feel free to take any industry. You could say gaming industry, you could say mobile manufacturing industry, you could say education, whatever you want. So next half a minute, you are supposed to just write down one industry on your paper, nothing else. That you know of a little. Yeah.
To incorporate that industry into the game, we have to build.
We'll go to that. So to begin with, identify one industry of your choice. Maybe music could be your industry. Maybe movies could be your industry. Bollywood is an industry, definitely. Entertainment is an industry. Insurance is an industry. Finance, banking. One, likha ke nahi? Ideally choose something that you at least primarily know of. Like retail you know of, right? What is retail? Like insurance, everyone knows of what is an insurance. Just write down one industry name on your paper. Everybody is through? You're through? Okay, actually this is a very interesting creative technique called random word, which is what you are going to use internally, single person. Okay? Everybody has written that industry name? All of you? Sure? Okay, next 30 seconds I will be giving you. In 30 seconds, all of you will have to write down 5 relevant words to that industry. You want an example or you are comfortable? One example. If at all I have taken retail, I will say shopping cart, or I will say maybe a check-in counter, maybe a barcode. So the 5 top words, those come to your mind upfront about that industry. Possible? Write it down. 5 words, very quickly. 30 seconds only. 5 words. 5 words. Once you are through, please raise your hand. 5 relevant words of that industry. Think of the reality, think of the kind of business, think of what happens in that industry, what do they manufacture, how does business happen. Think of whatever knowledge you have about. 5 or over? Wonderful. 5 or over? 5? Anybody? 5 or over? Fabulous. Anybody else? 5. Come on, fast. 5 or over? Fabulous. Only 5 words, come on, it's not a word. Only 5 relevant words. Only 20% are over. You're through? True? Underline the 3rd word. Underline the 1st word. Try and mix and match. Now that is your base word. Write down 5 more. Write down 5 more relevant words of either 1st or 3rd word. Possible? Quickly, again 30 seconds. 5 words each. 5 words, quick, fast. I can see dopamine oozing out. 5 words. So totally 10 words. कितना हो गया आपके? Just one. Come on, fast. So for example, I have taken a primary industry as my retail. The secondary word was maybe shopping cart, and now the shopping cart, I want 5 more words. It could be a virtual shopping cart, maybe a picture of the shopping cart, volume of the shopping cart, every maybe branding that comes onto the shopping cart. It looks like maybe airport trolleys. I don't know. Whatever comes to your mind. 5 more. आगे आपके. Done. Everybody through? So 10 words. Done? I think that's about it. That's your raw material now. Okay, so using this raw material, there are a number of parameters you could change, right? Like somebody was expecting somebody explored the third dimension of the tic-tac-toe. The 3-dimensional tic-tac-toe is already there. I have played that game.
Yeah.
So there are rods and there are beads. So necessarily I am adding one more dimension. 2 dimension, now that's the third dimension. So it will be 9 into 3 number of beads to be played with. So that this one, second and third could also be a row, right? So one more dimension added was space. You increase the space. Another dimension added could be simple design elements I am talking about, right? One design element is shape. Second design element is probably space. Third design element is shape of that bead or the size. And if somebody would like to compare products on that tic-tac-toe being retail, I'm just trying to churn out ideas out of my raw material, you know. So whatever raw material you have, 5 plus 10 words, that's about it. Or you could think of more. So start churning out ideas, write down 5 ideas very quickly. I'm sure it is possible. Write down 5 ideas to improvise factors. It may not be a complete game, right? It could be just an idea. Hey, wow, that looks like relevant. Write down 5 ideas quickly, 30 seconds, that's it. 5 ideas out of 5 plus 10 words, which will give you some input, you know. It could be colors, it could be shapes, it could be space, it could be multiplying it could be maybe correlation with number of games, or maybe social gaming. You have heard of all these words, right? So tic-tac-toe, if at all it is played by 40 people asynchronous way. You have heard of all these words? Synchronous का मतलब है all of us playing together. Asynchronous का मतलब क्या है कि I place my bead now and I sleep because it's night for me. In the US, somebody will wake up and place his bead now. So time access is delayed. I'm just thinking aloud. So with all these parameters of design elements, are you getting my point? How many design elements you have? Plenty actually. Space, numbers, dimensions. Third dimension को fourth dimension आ सकता है? Absolutely, time dimension. Right? So think of all these design parameters on the left hand side and the right hand side. You have got your raw material. 10 plus 5 words. And think of 5 crisp ideas to redesign that tic-tac-toe. Sounds possible now?
5 ideas.
5 ideas quickly. It's possible, I know that. Actually you can do 10. Jaldi se, 5 ideas, chalo, fast. Write down 5 ideas. Let it be one of the craziest ideas, yaar, chalo. Nobody's going to laugh at you. 5 fabulous ideas, that's it. Dopamine 200 times. कितने हो गए आपके?
They are very
Good. नहीं, let them crazy now. You are through with 5 ideas. Fabulous, great. Anybody else? 5 ideas. Come on, fast. I need 5 ideas. यार उसमें क्या है? 5 lines write करने के लिए कितना टाइम लगता है? Come on. You are only through 2. Come on, fast. एक ही आ रहा है आपका. I need 5 ideas. Okay, 5 ideas. So the ideas are very simple. One of the retail industries, one word becoming 5 words, one of those words becoming 10 more words,